Hari Om, good morning, Namaste. Welcome to Yoga Wellness Instructor, YCB Level 2, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India Yoga Certification course and Yoga Instructor course, Vyasa, a part of S. Vyasa Yoga University, Bangalore. Course conducted by the Swami Vivekananda Yoga, Mancherial, Telangana, India, which is affiliated to Vyasa, a part of S. Vyasa Yoga University, Bangalore. Sun salutation or Surya Namaskar. It is called Sarvanga Vyayam. When you are practicing Surya Namaskar from toes to head, each and every part, each and every tissue, each and every cell, each and every joint, each and every system activates, stimulates and balances. So this is the beautiful loosening exercise before Yogasana session. Okay. The definition of Surya Namaskar is the combination of Yogasana and Pranayama. We are going to practice 12-step Surya Namaskar as per S. Vyasa Yoga University, Bangalore. In Ayush Yoga Level 2, you can practice any way, 10-step or 12-step, no problem. But S. Vyasa Bangalore Yoga University following 12-step Surya Namaskar. Okay. Before Surya Namaskar, just legs together, hands by the side of the body. Come to Namaskara Sthiti, Surya Namaskara mantra. Om Hiranmayena Patrenam Satyasyapi Hitam Mukham Tattvam Poshan Apravuno Satya Dharmaya Drushtaye. Drop down your hands, observe the vibrations through Surya Namaskara mantra. Now come to Namaskara Sthiti. First round explanation with counts with breathing. 1. Inhale. Raise your both hands above the head with Namaskara Sthiti. Try to touch bicep to your both ears without bending your elbows. Bend your hands head back as much as you comfort with inhale. Do exhale, bend forward with backbone stretching. Take your both palms side of the feet. Stretch your backbone from root, suck your abdomen inside, head up. If you are suffering with high BP, hypertension, back pain, you should maintain here. Other people try to touch forehead, the knees without bending the knees as much as you comfort. Inhale, stretch your right leg back, stretch your toes outside, head up, push your buttocks pointing towards the floor. Enjoy with beautiful massaging at your thighs or pelvic floor. If you are suffering with knee pain, you should practice with full of conscious. Exhale, take your left foot back. Maintain your body on the toes and the palms, 45 degrees to the Mother Earth. Punch, touch your knees, inhale and exhale. Go back, sit on the calf muscles and relax in Shashankasana in normal breath. Che, do not move your feet, do not move your knees. Do not move your palms, only trunk up. Inhale, And exhale, try to touch chest in between the palms in front chin or forehead. Maintain Bahya Kumbhaka few seconds. Stretch your toes outside, heels together. 7. Inhale, bend your body from genetical organs to head. Join your heels, join your toes, look up. 8. With exhale, buttocks up, don't move your toes, don't move your palms. Trunk up, try to touch chin to the collarbone. Push your head back, pointing towards knees. Automatically your both feet rest on the ground. Now enjoy with beautiful massaging to your calf muscles. Now inhale, take the body forward, touch your knees and exhale. Stretch your toes outside and go back, sit on the calf muscles, relax in normal breath. Thus, bring the right foot forward in between the palms. Inhale, look up, stretch your left toe outside, your right foot in between the both palms. 11. Exhale, bring the left foot forward, join with the right foot. Try to touch forehead the knees without bending the knees. If you are suffering high BP, hypertension, back pain, peptic ulcer, you should maintain here. Otherwise, you can try to touch forehead the knees. 12. Inhale, come to vertical position, bend your hands head back as much as you comfort. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. This is the first round with explanation with counts with breath. Now second round with asana names. Total 8 asanas are involved. Repeated asanas are 4. Total 12 asanas. This is Namaskara asana or Pranavasana. No need to count. Okay. 1. Hasta Uttanasana or Urdhva Hastasana. 2. Padahastasana. 3. Ashwasanchalasana. 4. Chaturanga Dandasana. 5. Shashankasana. 6. Ashtanga Namaskarasan. 7. Bhujangasan. 8. Parvatasan. These are the 8 asanas. Okay. Now repeated asana 1, Shashankasan. Thus repeated asana 2, Ashwasanchalasana. 11. Repeated asana 3, Padahastasana. 12. Repeated asana 4, Hasta Uttanasana or Urdhva Hastasana. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. Now, third round with Bija mantras. 12 Bija mantras are there. 1 Bija mantra for 1 step. Please lead and follow. 1. Om Ram Mitraya Namaha. 2. Om Rim Ravaye Namaha. 3. Om Rum Suryaya Namaha. 4. Om Raim Bhanave Namaha. 5. ఓం రవం ఖగాయ నమః. చే ఓం రహ పూష్ణే నమః. సాత్ ఓం రాం హిరణ్యగర్భాయ నమః. 8 ఓం హ్రీం మరిచయే నమః. 9 ఓం రూం ఆదిత్యాయ నమః. 10 ఓం రైం సవిత్రే నమః. 11 ఓం రవం అర్కాయ నమః. 12 ఓం రహ భాస్కరాయ నమః. Come to Namaskara Sthiti. Just relax. So, this is the Surya Namaskar for YCB level 2 or Ayush level 2 or Yoga Wellness Instructor, Ministry of Ayush, Government of India, certification, or YIC, Yoga Instructor course, Bangalore, or normal people. Surya Namaskara makes your body iron muscles, steel nerves. Within 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar like this method, within 10 to 15 minutes, it's equal to 3 kilometers walking. Not only that, from toes to head, each and every part involved, each and every muscle involved, each and every tissue involved, each and every joint involved, each and every cell involved. Therefore, all the major 9 systems stimulated and activated and balanced. You can teach any physical benefit related to Surya Namaskar. Reduce the excess fat. If there is no fat, your body becomes strong like a diamond. Strengthen your body, removes the laziness, drowsiness, sleeping state, tamasic state. Your brain and mind activated, makes your mind calm, peace, releases the happy hormones, serotonin, dopamine, oxytocin, endorphin, melatonin, like that. Reduce the stress hormones, cortisol and adrenal. Stimulate your endocrine system especially, stimulate your nervous system, digestive system, circulatory system, excretory system, genetical system, like that. So there are so many benefits. Before Yogasana session, you should practice at least 6 rounds of Surya Namaskar. Okay? Thank you. Have a nice day. Dhanyavad.